Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the central screw on the air filter flange, then unscrew it by hand. Don't try to pull it off, it is designed to stay in the flange. This is the same for the other screws that you should now unscrew. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a Torx T20 socket, unscrew the 7 remaining flange screws. To take the flange off, turn it upwards and pull on it. Take out the air filter.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you to put the flange back on more easily. Replace the flange, positioning it correctly. To start with, rescrew the Torx screws before finishing with the central screw using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.